I often get asked by clients, do I need a will? The answer is invariably yes.
Here at Lindsay Kenny, we also help individuals with their personal estate planning. Anything from something that's simple and straightforward, like a young couple looking to appoint guardians for their minor children, up to more complicated matters involving assets of higher net worth and blended families and relationships that are not as straightforward.
Having a will is a lot like having insurance for young families. You don't want to use it. Hopefully it never comes to that, but you do want to make sure that it's in place in case the unforeseen does happen.
If you don't make any plan at all, the government steps in. And when the government steps in, it costs your family money, and all decision-making power is generally taken out of the family's hands.
We can help clients with enduring powers of attorney to allow them to appoint a trusted individual to look after their finances for personal matters or for corporate matters if they're later unable to sign off for themselves.
Trusts are often used as a part of succession planning, whether it's dealing with business assets or personal assets. They're incredibly powerful because they can bypass probate and they can protect beneficiaries from themselves. If we have an issue of wills variation or beneficiaries with a disability or inability to handle money, we often utilize trust to protect them.
But then you have to have a person who will take care of the money and ensure that it's safe for that child until they get to a point where they can manage money themselves. My line is, when will you trust your child not to take a large amount of money and buy a Ferrari?
One underlooked, unappreciated component of estate planning is incapacity planning. This is in the event that you get into a car accident or there's a medical condition that leaves you unable to make decisions on your own.
We will help people to think about what should happen if they are not able to make their own healthcare decisions. Who do they trust to make those very important decisions of whether to go ahead with a procedure or not?
You're not going to be here, and we need to protect your children or your, the charities you wish to provide for, or the generally the plan that you have for this wealth.
After we've established where our clients are going, we need to work with their team of advisors to achieve the optimal outcome. Includes financial, legal, and tax, and all are key components of any succession plan.
Here at Lindsay Kenny, we love helping individuals with their estate planning because it's all about peace of mind, and we love helping our clients to achieve that. Ultimately, we want to empower them to make decisions that are right for themselves as well as their families.